How to fix iPhone hotspot missing. So if you want to fix your iPhone hotspot missing, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to go with mobile, or you may also have an option of mobile services. You need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to select the SIM. Once you've selected your SIM, scroll down and tap on mobile data. Once you turn on your mobile data, you will have personal hotspot. You need to tap on it. You'll have the option right here. Just tap. Now scroll all the way down on your personal hotspot, or on your mobile data section. If you scroll down, then you will find an option of APN. Make sure that you've selected APN, or if you don't find it right here, then go back and then search for APN. In my case, I don't have the APN option right here, but you will find the APN option under your mobile section. You need to go with APN. If nothing is there in your APN, then you just need simply enter an address, which is internet.ng.airtel.com. Or if it's just blank, just type in internet, then go back and check if your hotspot option has reappeared. If it's still missing, contact your provider to confirm if you need something, or if you need to enter something specific in the APN settings for your hotspot to work. Another thing you can try is restarting your iPhone. Press the volume up button once, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button. When the screen goes black, release it. As soon as you see the Apple logo, after your iPhone restarts, go back to the settings and check if your personal hotspot option is now showing. In most cases, it will be back and you'll be able to ready to use. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.